In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make farmhouse beans pottage. Oh my god, you see how sumptuous, yummicious, dryicious, delicious this beans is. If you just knock it down with garri with ice cubes or ice water, not be cold water, ice water, and probably you just add some, no, you don't need sugar because there's plantain. If you add sugar it will be too sweet. Add small salt and you are ready to whack these beans. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Furo and I create content around food, family, lifestyle, and I'm a Port Harcourt Nigerian based YouTuber. Please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In this video, we're going to be using cow skin, aka kanda, aka bomo. Okay, that's what we're going to be using. Clean, washed, nice one. I've done this one noble. And then the next thing we're going to be using is crayfish and salt. Crayfish and salt is so important in beans. I don't know if you don't put crayfish and salt, I don't know what you're putting. And we're going to have fresh pepper. Yes, this fresh pepper, habanero pepper, any pepper of your choice. You can use Cameroon pepper, but I'm using fresh pepper for my meal. Very important. And this is leftover plantain in my pantry. I've had this plantain in my pantry, just 3 pieces. If I use it for breakfast, it's not going to be enough for my family. If I use it for lunch, so the best option for it is this farmhouse beans pottage. Instead of letting it get spoiled in the pantry, I just have to use it for this delicious meal. And then the next thing is this dry fish. This is catfish, but you can use any fish of your choice. You can use mackerel, you can use mangala, you can use any fish of your choice. Maybe smoke it in the oven, whatever, if you're not in Nigeria, and use it. And this is my sweet potato. Okay, this sweet potato, you just cut it into chunks and use it. Just cut it in different sizes. This one I've been sitting in my fridge for quite some time, and I decided to use it for this meal. So the next thing we're going to be needing is beans. These beans I'd already cleaned it earlier in the day and set it aside. I think the previous night I cleaned it and set it aside for today, just to make this delicious meal. And I'm just trying to double check it to make sure that there's no stone, there's no dirt in it. It's so clean, because the last thing you want to have is finish cooking your beans, offering it to your guests or to your family, and they are eating out stone from it. It can be very annoying. Okay, so my people will say that is broken marriage. That can break a marriage, broken marriage. On the lighter note, so these beans, you just select it, just be sure that everything is okay in it. Just confirm, pick out all the pickables. So while I was picking these beans, my son came and said, "Mommy, I'm so bored." And I was like, "Oh God, I remember those days. Just try it and say you're so bored in my house. You will pick beans. You don't even try it. You will pick beans. So if you don't pick beans, you will do egusi. If you don't do egusi, you will sweep ground or you will wash one charcoal pot." Please, if you had that experience growing up in an African home, let me know in the comment section. What were you doing when you were bored, or when you look like you're loafing around in an African home? Did you pick beans? Did you? Oh my God, I love being an African girl. So the next thing is, when you're done, you need to go put water in the beans and wash these beans. So you need to wash it just with cold water, or if you have warm water running in your tap, use the warm water, wash it out. Beans, you need to wash it very well for it not to upset your tummy. Some people, it doesn't upset their tummy. For me, it doesn't upset my tummy, but my husband, my kids, it upset their tummy if I don't wash it properly. So I think like there's high amount of amino acid. I don't know how true that is, but I think there's high amount of amino acid. That's why it's running people's tummy. I don't know. I'm feeling like a select scientist now, but I don't know. So wash it like 2 3 4 times like that. Just sieve it out, wash it again, sieve it out. And once you're done with that, you've reduced whatever that is running people's tummy into it. The next thing you're going to do is just rub it. You see how I'm rubbing it? That's how you rub it, and just sieve it out. You see, the more I wash it, the water reduces. Yeah, so the next thing is just transfer it into the pot. Very easy peasy. See, just try to do this video very detailed so that you guys will understand very well how to handle your beans. No matter the pottage, no matter the kind of pottage you want to cook with beans, this video is how you handle your beans. Okay, that's how you handle your beans. You put it on the fire, just like so. So once you put on the fire, you let it boil for a while. So once you let it boil for a while, if you're that kind of person that beans upsets your tummy, then it's time for you to wash it again. So you just sieve out the water, wash it and bring it back to the fire. So I had to change the pot because the other pot was obviously very small. So I covered it. I was just making this meal for lunch for my family, and I decided to film it because some people might not even know how to make beans, and or some people are still complaining that beans run my tummy. Look, if you follow this procedure, beans will never run your tummy. Shout hallelujah. So it's boiled now. It's time for me to start infusing all the ingredients into the pot. Okay, so I'm just going to add my chunk of sweet potato. So this sweet potato, you can buy it from Aboki, you can buy it in the market, but if you're not in the Niger, you can buy it in the diaspora. I think Walmart sells it. You can buy it right there. Yeah, so you just turn everything to make sure that the sweet potato is sitting properly inside the pot. Okay, so after pushing everything and giving everything their cheer, just like you see me, so you just cover it, let it rest for a while. No, just incorporate everything, let it rest with the beans, relax, be calming down. Okay, and then you add your onion, you add your fresh pepper, just let it be. You add your pomo, kanda, cow skin into this pot, and then you stir so that everything can take their apartment inside the pot. Okay, let it take its apartment, take their portion, take their share. So this is it. After I finish stirring it, I'll just add my salt and my crayfish, yeah, granulated crayfish, and my salt. So I grinded that crayfish with my blender. So if you don't have a blender, you can grind it with stone, with mortar, whatever. Just grind it. And then I added my cooking cube or seasoning cube. Yes. So your crayfish, you can blend it. If you don't have blender, you can also add your crayfish like that. It doesn't matter. If you don't have the granulated one, add it and just stir everything. I like to add everything at this point because I feel when it's boiling, it can just absorb all the taste of the crayfish, the pepper, the onion. So just stir everything and then cover it. Ooh, this beans was so yummy. I'm telling you, it was so yummy. And I'll just let it steam away. At this point, the beans should have been half cooked. So, and the sweet potato also should have been half cooked at this point. So the next thing is to add your plantain, okay, and your fish. Yes, as you can see, the pot is just bouncing in his glory. Very full. Yes, my family is large, that's why you see me having a full pot. Yes, so you just let it cook together, then you open it, you stir everything together, just stir. There's no rocket science about this things. You just to watch the video and cook your own. Even if you're not a Nigerian woman and you're married to a Nigerian man, if you follow this process, I'm telling you, it's not going to fail. This process is proof tested and sealed. Okay. So you just allow it to boil for a while also, and then the next thing is for you to add your palm oil. Palm oil and beans are base, so you have to be generous with it. Okay, have to be generous, so generous, and it's ready. So at this point, just let it boil a lot, and then the water gets down and you mix it and your beans is ready. So you just stir it, allow the water to go down for a long time, stir it. See the beans now. If you taste these beans, very nice, sweet, delicious. Oh my god, amazing. Try it and let me know that you tried it. Okay, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, give this video a thumbs up, share with me in the comment section your bean story. I shared with you my own bean story, how they keep me busy with beans. So tell me your bean story. Does beans run your tummy? See you in my next video. Bye bye.